Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2018 Chevrolet 4500 Stake Body. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really nice shape. It's got about 50,000 miles on the clock, ready to go to work. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Looks really nice. Gas powered V8. Drives really nice. Really nice condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a close look here, close up. Let's go to the front bumper. Front bumper's in great shape. Looks good, very nice condition. It's got a little bit of damage right here, and it's got a dent right here. Besides that, looks good. All right, headlamps look good. Center grille looks good. The other headlamp looks good. Windshield's in good condition, but does have a chip here and another one there. Those are the two chips it has on it. Besides that, looks good. Nice condition overall. Center panel here looks good. Emblem's in good shape. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the passenger door. Looks good, clean throughout. Nice condition. Couple little scuffs here on the mirror. Nothing major. Looks good overall. Let's take a close look at the mirrors. Mirrors are in good shape. Glass is in good condition. Rubbers look good. Really nice shape. All right. Let's take a look at the stake body in the back. It's got all the pieces on it. Really nice. All the wood was recently replaced. Brand new wood. Looks really nice. Beautiful shape. All right, let's take a close look through here. You can see all the floors. The whole floor was replaced. Looks brand new with treated wood. Looks amazing. Look at that. Brand new floor. Really great condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape all the way through. All right, let's keep walking around. The back here, look at that. Has your hitch back here set to go. Great condition back here. Looks good. Very nice shape. Beautiful condition. All right, this is on the driver's side here. Really nice shape. It's got all the pieces there, which is nice. Really great condition. Let's have a big dent on this one here. Besides, that's no big deal. Let's take a look inside the wood from this side. Looks amazing. Really nice. Couple dents here and there. Nothing major. Take a look from this side. Really great shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here at the driver door. Driver door's in great shape. Looks clean throughout. Really nice condition. Super nice shape. Mirror is cracked. We have that on order. We're going to replace it before it gets delivered, but it is going to get replaced. That pretty much concludes our walk around on this one. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel here on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Looks super clean. Very nice shape all the way through. Looks amazing. Really nice. All right, let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Amazing condition. Super clean. Look at that. Seats 3 passengers. Seats in really great shape. That armrest comes down if you don't need the 3rd passenger, but it's in really nice condition. Dashboard looks good. Really beautiful shape throughout. It's got this big mat here to protect it from the shoes and stuff. And look at that mat on the bottom. Looks brand new. Really nice condition. Let's take a look on top here. A little bit of storage there on the visors. Really great shape. Liner's in good condition. Looks nice. Beautiful condition, ready to go to work. Okay, we're taking a look at the Door panel on the driver's side. Door panel looks good. Super clean. Look at this. Very nice condition. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Looks brand new. Look at this. Really nice condition. Super clean. Beautiful shape. Power windows. Power mirrors. Power locks. Look at that. Looks really nice. Beautiful condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the driver's seat. Look at that. Looks amazing. Beautiful shape. No rips or tears on the seat. Looks super clean. This has a rubber mat all the way across. So that means the rubber floors on the bottom are brand new. Look at that. Looks amazing. Brand new. Beautiful condition. All right, let's look at the dashboard, steering wheel. Really nice shape. The whole cab looks really clean. Beautiful condition. Ready to go to work. That's where it has the controls for the power mirrors, which is a nice feature on these trucks. Some of them don't have it. Beautiful shape. Looks really nice. Amazing condition. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2018 Chevrolet 4500. All right, so it's got a remote. Look at that. Super nice. It's got a key here that's broken, but I think that's the key for the boxes that's bad, so we don't have the key for the boxes. There's a key for the vehicle to start it up. I want to show you that the locks are working. You can hear lock and unlock. All right, so the remote is fully functional. Let's go ahead and start this up. Put the key in. Start her up. Super nice. Look at that. Starts up perfect. Feels good. All right. Let's accelerate a little bit. Sounds good. Good power there. All right, let's take a look at the mileage on this one. Mileage on this one is 54,512 miles. The cluster has RPMs, shows you what gear it's in, shows you the fuel and temperature, miles per hour, very nice. Look at the highlights, turning signals, all working perfect. Super nice. All right, let's see some of the other features on this one. So that's for the lights, that's for the odometer. This is to lock the windows so nobody rolls them down. Let's check out the windows here. Here, a quick test. This one's working perfect. And let's check out that one. That one's working perfect also. Look at that. Super nice. All right. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Look at this dash. Beautiful shape. Really nice kept. Beautiful condition. Heated mirrors. That's for the cruise control here, to set the cruise control. Up here on top, you have your controls for the mirrors. The one on the driver's side has some cracks on it, but we're going to go ahead and replace it. But it is functioning 100%. See that bottom one there? The bottom one is power and the top one is power. Look at that. Fantastic. They're working perfect. And then let's test out the other side. That's the bottom one. And then let's test the top one out. Super nice. Okay, that's pretty much it on that. Let's take a look at the radio real quick. It's got a USB plug there if you want to put your phone there to charge. It also has an auxiliary if you want to use an auxiliary cable. CD, AM, FM, looks good. It's got Bluetooth set up. See, it's got the little thing there for Bluetooth, so you can set your phone up. Controls for the AC, your hazard lights. It's got a couple spaces here for accessories. Cup holders, super nice. Down here, power plug right there. This is for the towing in the back. This is the controls for the towing. Automatic transmission, super nice. 6-speed. Looks good. Look at the seats. I mean, it's in really nice shape. Really beautiful shape. Nice condition. Look at the steering wheel. Really great shape. Only 54,000 miles. Looks really nice. The wipers, turning signals, and for the cruise control. Super nice. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive. Here we go. Drives nice, shifting good. Feels really good. Really great drive. Okay, well that's pretty much going to conclude our test drive. You can see everything's driving good on this vehicle. Shifts good, feels smooth. Really nice drive. Okay, stay tuned. Coming up next, we're going to take a look at the engine. Then we'll look at those tires and the chassis. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine. Engine's in clean condition. Looks really nice. Look at that. Beautiful shape. Chassis looks good. Very nice condition. Let's take a closer look. This is a GM product. Beautiful condition. Engine looks good on this side here. Let's take a look at the bottom of the cab. Cab looks amazing. Take a close look here. Really nice condition all the way through. Amazing shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition. So the AC lines are, the ABS lines. Looks good. Chassis in great shape. Super nice condition. Very nice on this side. All right, let's take a look at the front tire here. Front tire on the driver's side, amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape, very nice. Let's take a look at the chassis all the way through. Really nice, look at that. It's got the storage box there, we'll look at that in a moment. Rear tires here look good. Really nice condition. Very nice. Mud flaps look good shape. Walking on the back here, beautiful condition. Super clean. Very nice. Look at this. Amazing shape. Rear tire on the passenger side. They look good, in good condition. Rim is clean and in great shape. Take a look. Very nice. Another box on this side for storage. Catalytics. Battery. Take a look here. That's where the filter goes. Front tire on the passenger side looks good. Let's take a quick look from this side. Engine on this side looks clean also. Really nice condition, super clean. Very nice shape. Let's take a look at the bottom of the cab from over here. Looks amazing. Really nice condition. Chassis here looks good. Super nice. That's the condenser and the fan for the AC. Really nice shape all the way through. Super, super clean. Let's take a look here. Beautiful condition on that. Really nice. All right, let's check out this storage box here. This is the one on the passenger side. Looks good. Good shape. Very nice condition. All right, let's close her up. Super nice. Working good. All right, we're taking a look at the box on this side. This is on the passenger side. Good shape. Nice condition here on this side. Beautiful condition, man. Looks good. All right, let's go ahead and close it up. Very nice. Northern Tool and Equipment. Look at that. I guess that's from there. Beautiful shape. Okay, that's going to conclude our video for this 2018 Chevrolet 4500 stake body. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really outstanding shape. Ready to go to work, about 50,000 miles on the clock. All the floorboards in the back were replaced. Brand new. Beautiful condition. All right, you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. NovaAutoSales.net. Thanks for watching.